Hello everyone, welcome to Four Nation Creations DIY video. Today we will be doing a DIY child's cedar bracelet. You will have 4 pieces of cedar and some artificial sinew. First you're going to start off with soaking your cedar for 20 minutes and then you can take out of the water and you'll be able to begin your bracelet. First we are going to start off with our base here, and we have these 2 small skinnier pieces that we're going to take and put on top of the base. You want to make sure that you leave a little bit hanging over on each side, as the cedar will shrink a little bit on top as you start weaving. We will take our longer skinnier piece here that we have, and we are going to go on top of one and underneath the other one. You want to leave a little bit of space at the top and some hanging over as well. And then you're going to go around and now you are going to, this one is on top, so we're going to leave this one down, this one is underneath, so now we are going to lift this one up, go over top and around. Now you will put this piece back down and lift up this one. Over and around. Same thing, lift this one up, leave this one down, over top and around. Now you will just keep repeating this process till you get all the way to the other end. If you get lost and you don't know which one that you're supposed to be moving, you can always just look for the one that is underneath, because then you know that is the one that you are going to have to lift up. And remember, please be patient with yourself. This takes time and practice, and just have fun with it. If you need to, you can also leave it, take a break, and then go back to it and try again. Just make sure you soak it in some water again before you start working with it. And there is your bracelet so far. You can also take it and just give it a little tug. You can also go back to this side and do a little bit more on this one. And you will take your bracelet and, first you will want to make these the same length and just cut it, leave a little bit more over the base still as well. Now you will take your sinew, wrap it around a couple of times, and then give it a good knot. Now you will take the rest of your sinew and keep wrapping. Leave this little piece here so you can finish tying it off together when you are done. You can either go lots or you can just go a little bit. That is really up to you. The more you use, I think the better the hold will be. Start going back and go over to the other side. Finish tying these two pieces off. Cut off which little pieces are hanging over. Don't go too short. You can also cut these off. Look on the inside, that one's okay. Shape your bracelet and let it dry, and there you go. You have your child's bracelet. Thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed this, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. Choo!